All right, what's good? I'm gonna get into some back testing on July 18th, 2022 at the moment. So, see where we're at. No news Monday, pretty slow news week. So, yeah, we're just gonna see how we move, what we're doing right now. We look very bullish. Weekly high here. Weekly buy side here. Weekly buy side. Okay. So we haven't closed through this yet. I could see continuations to previous day high. ES is closer to it, so we'll just mark this up. So we seem bullish. Didn't really respect any gaps, but pretty slow for how we should be moving at the moment. Just generated a lot of lows. Interesting. So we did close that hourly. As far as delivery here, I'm not the biggest fan. We have London lows here. Bet. All right, we'll see what we do. Just gonna go into open. See how we open up here. Could get some manipulation at previous day high. So interesting. So now we have an SMT here. Okay, huge up candle here, making it obvious that we do want to go higher. To probably reach for this on ES. This 5 minute will be a good condition. This isn't bad. Pretty good inversion here, just very wicky. This is a pretty good close though. Did we hit any POI here? Or any reason for us to deliver lower? Oh, I still think we should be bullish, higher time frame. I'm gonna let one more candle go. I just don't like how wicky it is. Nice. I'm taking this. I'm gonna get in on this 2 minute right here. This is really nice. Now we took both levels. 5 minute break even here. Yeah, I like this setup a lot. CISD, just expecting us to deliver out of this for sure. Keep the stop pretty tight. Wouldn't want to see us go too low. I am pretty confident to all these lows here, if I'm being honest. So I might, yeah, I think I'm just going to break even at this. I don't really care about this low. I'm anticipating this 5 minute to get broke. I'm going to break even here. I do like shorts here. Structure's nice. Got the manipulation move. Huge momentum here. Wouldn't really want to see us reject out of here. Nice break even. So TP is going to be at this low here whenever ES takes it. Where's London for ES? Yeah, that's London. Nice. Very confident in this sell model completing. So yeah, just gonna hold here. Wow. What? do want to re-enter this, I'm not gonna lie. It is late though into the session, but I'm still very confident in this move playing. We have so much lows generated. I don't see a reason for us to just pause here. Yeah, I'm gonna try this, I think. I don't love that break even, but I like this stop hunt here. I like the 3-minute inversion. Gonna go on lighter on this, but hoping I don't just get trapped in a stop raid here. Yeah, whatever. If this loses, I'm confident in it. Higher time frame, we need to run all these, so I don't see us pausing here. That'd be pretty random. Break even is gonna be here just because it's 11. Not going in as heavy. Okay, nice. TP. Should I just TP here? It's after 11, but I mean 10 generates. I'm expecting 11 to run it all. Nice. Beautiful. So get out there in London. See if we take the rest. Nice. Yeah, just wanted to see us deliver off this original 2-minute, but got in the re-entry and still banked. Really clean trade. Next day, the hell? Yo, no way that was just Friday that I was trading. What? Oh shit. Okay, now I'm on a no news Monday. Whatever. So higher time frame mitigated this high, came down, took out previous day low and hit daily gap. Could run to here, another lower gap, but just need to see how we react because right now we're reacting pretty good off that gap. We came up into the 4-hour. This will be a good range condition. We hit the 4-hour. Yeah, we did. Nice. Good manipulation at this high. Yeah, not sponsored here at all. So I'm expecting these to get ran. I want to see us soup this high and then get shorts would be really nice. No. Okay, so here goes shorts. We still have a lot of draws on ES lower. These are SMT though, so we don't have to go. But if we start just placing through this low, we're obviously just going to run lower. Ooh, okay. I don't want to take this 5-minute just because, I mean, this is technically protected. Just bias-wise, I feel like it's 50-50. Swept out this, swept out this. I don't know. We could chop. Just not too confident in it. Okay, wow. Yeah, definitely not taking this. Jeez. Really ugly here. Okay, now let's look at manipulation. So we closed way past this hourly gap. This does make me think we want to get continuations lower. Best case scenario is going to be ES opening into here. Yeah, I like that. Actually, I would like longs if we could get them. Yeah, longs here would be nice. Okay, what are we delivering off of? Did we sweep out these? Yeah, okay, so we just swept out these. Nice, we still have the SMT here. On an hourly chart, we could definitely push for this low though. That's the thing. We're about to open that up. We have a 5-minute open. I like this enough to take it, I think. Very clean reaction off of that. So, also, are we hitting some sort of PD array? Okay, this is anti-trend, like, for sure. But I am expecting a little bit of a retrace. So, yeah. Just gonna try and get a 1R out of this. Just not the most confident on bias here. So, yeah. Just want to see a 1R. That'd be nice. Hoping this delivers nice here. Trading the internal model on this for sure. So oof, this looks really nice actually to go higher. It's just higher time frame. I don't know. I don't really love where we're at. Cause yes, but we'll see. Okay, break even. Okay, just break even. And one got hit. So nothing I could do about that. Just an unfortunate break even. Probably gonna be done for the day. I am curious to see what we do. Where were we? Oh, I took this, right? Yeah, I took this. Yeah, so we just half-heartedly ran and then just dumped. So we just didn't have enough orders. So yeah, we're for sure going to take this low here. This daily low is free. I want to see that get took. Currently 1-0 on the week. 1 win, 1 break even. Very free draw to these lows though, in my opinion. Filled in the new week opening gap. Super these highs. Delivered lower. Yeah, 100%. I don't want to take longs until we take this. London highs got took. Nice. And as far as draws, Tuesday. Yeah, we already mitigated there. Already mitigated here. This doesn't need to really get took again. Soup of this would have been nice. Dang, we're not going to get it. I want to stop hunt. And then longs. Yeah, give me longs here. Need to see both gaps get inverted. So we did just take pretty important sell side in a 4 hour. We have this 1 hour down here. Keep that in mind. And this mitigation. I just kind of want to see this get took. Oh, wait. Would I take this? This doesn't look bad. This does not look bad. Let me see the 4 hour. I don't know. This is just trying to long, like really catch the bottom, but what's the draws on ES look like? Really nice draws higher. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. I am gonna take this. Getting in late here. Not the best reaction, but I am expecting this to work. Hopefully, yeah, I mean, my real fill would be here, so we'll just take it up to 930's high. I like how 930 didn't do anything, so that's nice. 930 just wicked. We're close to 10. This could get a stop hunt on it. Just because where ES is. ES looks like it might want to flush here completely. We'll see. Is this a 15? No. We break even here. Nice. Ooh, okay. SMT here is nice. Nice. We're at 15. I just want to take it for 1R. If I can get 1R out of this, I'm just gonna take it. Just not confident. No. Oh my god. I can't get 1R. It's actually crazy. Yeah, okay. So wanted to run that low. We hit in the mitigation. Another break even. Hourly low. Let's take that. Yeah. Damn. Okay. At least it wasn't a loss. Give me a good stop hunt. This is not moving good. Yeah, I'm completely fine skipping this. Wednesday, July 27th. What the fuck? Bro, I've been doing the wrong thing. We had 10 a.m. news that day. Maybe I wouldn't have traded. I don't know. I mean, it was a break even regardless. So, Wednesday. Dang, why am I on the 27th already? What the hell? Okay, this is like the most obvious buy model I've ever seen. Yeah, this is so clean. Jeez. We have this daily gap. I don't think this does anything though. I think we're bullish. Higher time frame. I think this is just a retrace. So, yeah, I just want to see this high as easy target. Best case scenario would be this getting dug into. Oh yeah, this would be peak. Ooh, did it? No, it didn't. Okay. Yeah, this would be peak. Seeing this 4-hour gap get tagged. Yeah, I want to see that get hit. Hopefully, and then longs up to here. Very clean buy model. Extremely clean. And you have this buy side up here. Just another level. Target. Little ITH. Nice. Ooh, yes. Please give me an open low. Come on. Wednesday news we have. Oh, we have FOMC today. This could stall. I don't want to take longs here. I just don't want to. I'm fine with it, bro. If we don't want to hit that 4-hour, it's whatever. That's a draw. I want to see get hit 10 out of 10 times. No 15-minute gap tap. Need to see that get hit. Okay, just gonna skip to FOMC most likely. No tap on the 30-minute either. Wow. Just, I don't like anything here. I don't want to take shorts. Like, I'm not tripping for a retrace at all, really. I just want to take longs. Yeah, FOMC it is. What's the draw? It's still so bullish. Okay. Ideally, we open here, and maybe we get shorts to here. This is definitely a possibility. If we want to hit that low gap, but... Okay, open into this hourly right here. On ES. Still need to see us run lower, personally. Ooh, okay. So we took this high here. We SMT'd. That's interesting. This 2-minute is your highest time frame. Damn. Okay, that's unfortunate. Very good reaction here. Out of the 1 hour. Okay, good inversion here. I just would rather see the 4 hour get hit. What does it look like as far as liquidity? Did we raid these? We didn't raid these. I'm not gonna target this. I'm just gonna sit this out. Okay, this looks better now. Did we hit a 5? Nah, I already said no. Okay, yeah, 230 did the work. Nice. I could see shorts from here though. Very good volume coming in. I don't like this. Yeah, this is a weak stop hunt. Or give me a good stop hunt. No, come on. Not like this. This is trash. 8:30 Thursday. Oof, okay. Really, really bullish. We should run here for sure. Good retrace into this 4 hour. Good reaction out of that 4 hour. Yeah, very simple for me. Just want to see this internal high get took on ES. And NQ make a higher run also. Not to mention we have this bullish SMT, which is amazing. This gives me a lot of confidence that that's a low of day. I want to see how we open this 15 or this 30. Nice. No. We already hit the 15. Nice. Okay, best case scenario here is going to be a run into what gap? This gap could give a reaction, or this gap. Ideally this gap. I'm so bullish though. Nice. Give me longs from here. What? Okay, you definitely could have took shorts there, but I would never, with how confident I was in this high getting took. Ooh, okay, okay. This is just one of those bare minimum plays. I'm just gonna wait for more structure. I don't like one ITH. Give me the stop hunt. Nice. Oh yes, this is exactly what I want. This is nice. So stop hunt. We're about to open the 15. That's a really clean break even. Yeah, this is a beautiful 1 minute. I'm gonna try this long here. I know we have 10 a.m., but I don't see us needing to manipulate anywhere. Just gonna put the stop this wick here. Target what? I mean, it's a good draw. Pretty confident. I'll just target this, I'll target this little mitigation area. I'm very confident in higher prices, so yeah, we'll see. This did close, right? Yeah, very clean close. I love this candle. Hello? Okay, there it goes. All right, let's break down this setup, why this is a good setup. All right, higher time frame, very, very bullish. We edge this high, resweep of these lows. The only way this really fails is if we want to go to here. But I don't think this mitigation all down here needs to get took, to be fair. I think this is a really clean reaction, good internal model. Break even is going to be this 5 minute actually is my break even. Beautiful. Break even right at 10. We have this 15 minute that I really want to see get tagged. Like, I am confident in higher prices, but I'm just gonna let this ride. Nice. Unfortunate once again, bro. Am I just wrong on bias? Like, I could have took probably a 1R. Nah, it's just edging 1R all week. Fucking Christ. I like these highs we generated. Maybe a stop hunt. Stop hunt could be nice. Swept out this low. Nah, I don't like this. This is nice. This is clean. Stop right here. We open up a 30-minute gap right here. If my bias is wrong here, then so be it. I'm taking this 2-minute. I like this. We close the 2-minute. We have this high. Targeting basic 1-to-1-ish. Yeah. Just gonna target this. I like this. I like the highs we generated. I don't see us needing to come back and retest this because it's stop hunted. So it's protected technically. And yeah. I'm gonna take this 1030 open low. Okay. I'm gonna wait for ES to take that high. This is still bullish. Beautiful. This is so bullish. ES is high. I hope NQ can just deliver and follow. Bang. Let's fucking go. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful patience. Yeah. High, low of day. Fucking fire trade. That was beautiful. Friday the 29th. Let's get into the 29th here. CPI day. So we'll see what we want to do. Took out this high. Okay, this is interesting. I want to go on a weekly and see what it's looking like, because this, I think we just took out pretty significant buy side. Okay. Higher time frame, I still am like low-key bearish. Not gonna lie, I think we need to take out all these before we go higher. We'll see. Reaction from this will tell me a lot here. So I don't like taking immediate shorts. I would need to see something get broke, most likely. So I'm gonna just mark up this gap. Dude, am I schizophrenic? Can't fucking type right, or can't go to my thing. We got a daily gap right here. We did just sweep this. I would honestly like a stop hunt of this high. That'd be nice. But that's a lot to ask for. Unless ES does it, that'd be nice. Equal highs up here. Lower 4 hour in this range. Just gonna mark this up as bullish. Yeah. We'll see what we want to get here. Are these London highs? Yeah, London looks nice to get ran to with those equal highs. We'll see. Definitely want to see this get took. Okay. Hmm. So we just tapped that low that I wanted to see get took. We have this 5-minute high. This 2-minute inversion off the Judas. I think this is actually pretty clean. The only thing is you're targeting like the high that swept there. But I think the manipulation's nice. Took out this low. Yeah, I mean, if this fails, we know why. Yeah, I'm gonna take this to the 930 wick break even. I think this is nice. Stop is gonna be there. You gotta give it some room, especially with these Judas plays, but you're expecting this to just get blasted through, and then we have so much stacked highs here. Really clean play. I'll just TP at this, to be fair. I don't really need the whole move, so yeah, I'll just TP at that hourly. We also have an 830 wick up here, which is nice. This will be my trade for Friday. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. This is playing out nice. We'll see if ES takes it first. If ES takes it, I'm out. So chat, what a week. Great trade here. I bet this plays out to the highs, but I just didn't want to hold the whole thing. Yeah, see how we just start chopping? Exactly. It would have been a break even if I got greedy. But nah, I would have got a win on this regardless. Super nice trade here. Had my conditions set being this 4 hour at the low. You could get greedy and wait for that to get hit, but that's just asking for too much, especially when you have this ITL that just gets swept with that reaction. So beautiful trade. Ending the week undefeated, 3-0. And yeah, that was a really, really clean week to end off July. So made up 3,000 off 3 trades on that. Really nice. Account 63% win rate. Beautiful. This was a great session.